Today was an interesting day. I started off most of my trades. I traded all four of my watch list tickers. So this is my watch list for today. I had Carnival Cruise Lines, American Airlines, Virgin Galactic, and Neo, which is a small car manufacturer, I think is what Neo is. I traded every single stock on my watch list, but most of my trades were on CCL and Space. And I'll say right off the bat, I took 12 trades today. That's too many. I've been having too many trades, too many tickets. I just haven't been trading clean the past 3 trading days. So you can see Space kind of looks like a Christmas tree. I don't really like my charts to look like this with this many tickets, but nonetheless, my first trade was here on Space. And you can see right at the open on the 1-minute chart, nice and weak. We had an area of consolidation right here at the 200 moving average on the 1-minute chart. I waited the first 5 minutes, kind of see where it shook out, and then I got in right here just above 17 at 17.01, and I like getting in, around dollar marks like that. And then I partialed out pretty quickly here. Got 2 quick partials in. Then there was, this 50 MA on the 5-minute chart, so I took another partial there. And then my last partial bounced back on me, and I got out just about at break even. I took it short again, you'll see over here. So right here, I also took it short. Now, this is the one that I don't think I should have been in this trade this short. It was profitable for me, but I know what I saw, but I don't think I should have taken this trade because you see we have pretty strong bullish volume and then much lower relative bearish volume. And so I took it short on that, and you'll see that you can, if you wanted, you could make this a bullish ABCD pattern on the 1-minute chart. And that's kind of what the volume indicates is likely to happen as well. So, and I don't like shorting into a moving average like that. So it was a winner, a small winner, but it's just a trade I don't think I should have taken, but I did profit from it. My third trade on Space came a little bit later. This was also a small winner. You can see it right here. So it had dipped back down to the $17 level and looked like it was going to break through. Sorry about that. It looked like it was going to break through, so I took it short here. You see the really strong volume. That's really what convinced me that it was going to break through this time. Plus, it's one of my favorite patterns. I call it a bearish boot. So you see you have like a low point, looks like a boot. You have a low point, and then it goes up. It hits usually some sort of levels of support or MAs, and then it starts curling back down. And when the curl starts coming back towards an important level, often I like to take it short. So it's like one of my favorite patterns. And then you see the huge volume spike here. So really nice setup for me. Got a couple quick partials and then out at break even there for the last partial. It was a winner, but not a huge winner. Then you'll see, where's my last trade on Space? So then right here is my last trade on Space, I think is this guy right here. So I got some partials out and it kind of started coming back on me, and then it went down further. But I think this was a separate trade. So, I mean, the point you can tell by looking at this is that this is over trading, in my opinion. More of these than not were winners, but it was just, it wasn't an efficient or clean day. It wasn't a day that I had that, even though I was profitable at the end of the day, I didn't feel good about it. So let's see if we can get CCL here. Oops. Let's reconnect to the internet and it'll load. Sorry about that. All right. What? See if it updates. Let's go to a different ticker. And let's come back. Cool. All right. So CCL, again, I told you I took a lot of trades on CCL. CCL also looks like a Christmas tree. And so this is what I'm talking about. This is just, I don't like my charts to look like this. This isn't really how I trade. So CCL, I took it short. My first trade on it, I tried to take it short here. And I know what I saw, but I don't mind this trade, but I don't love it. I would say the only really good trade I took on CCL was this one right here. So again, it was one of those days where I tried to do the same trade a few times and got stopped out a few times before it finally went in my favor. So this is my best trade of the day on CCL. And you'll see I took it short, and what I saw that I liked was, you see it keeps bumping against this around the $17 mark, and it really wants to break free, and it's trading in this range here, but kind of you can see it's starting to curl downward. So I like that. And the bullish volume that's peppered in here is lower than the overall bearish volume. So I took it short, got a couple partials here, took some more at around 1650 because there's some big bids at 1650 and had been sitting there. And it also looked like it was a daily level as well. And then it came back on me, and then after this, this little shooting star here, I added to my position. Then I partialed that add back out for a little bit more, and the very end I got out at break even. So to me, this is a nice trade. I'm happy with this trade. This is really what I want my trades to look like. But all that said, today was a day that I'm happy it was green. I had some nice trades in there, but it wasn't clean. I don't feel great about it, and I really want to get my trading back to being nice and clean and efficient. So that's my focus. All right, see you guys next time.